Everybody, we're back.
Hi.
Savannah, Michael. We wanted to let you guys, and of course, Insult. Say hello, everybody. Don't forget today is National Eskimo Kisses Day. No, it's not at all. Not even. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's June something is just do it. Oh God, I swear, you are so weird as a. It's so good. No, okay, that's enough. Okay, all right. Anyways, how was your guys' day?
Yeah, it's good.
Good.
All right. So, Insult, how you doing?
Hey, Insult, I heard that you're not a really good actor. You can say that you're a man with many faces.
Is that true, Insult? Well, sorta, I guess.
Insult, show me your happy face.
How about your excited face?
Your scared face.
Your mad face?
Your extremely mad face.
Stop me off!
Insult, it looks like you're eating your face.
I'm not eating my face! Actually, it looks like he's taking a huge dump. Oh, I'm not taking a dump! You're taking a dump! I'm not taking a dump. Yes, you are! You look like you're taking a dump! I do? Why? You got the dump face! You got the face with the dump! Oh, shut up! Leave me alone! Alright, Insult. I'll see you later.